How to use the AOL Mail mobile app. If you're new to using AOL on your mobile phone, you need to first of all download this application. So open up the Play Store or the App Store and then search for AOL Mail. Make sure you download this application onto your phone and then install it as well. Once the app has been downloaded and installed, make sure you log into your account. Now there are a few sections to this which you need to know. The basic section is where you receive and send your emails. If you head over to the inbox section on the bottom left, this is the section where you can view all of your emails that you received. In order to send any new emails or compose a new email, you can tap on the pencil icon on the top right. This way the composer will open up where you can add in the email sender's receiver's email address, the subject and the body of the email. Once you're done, you can tap on send on the top right of the screen. Apart from the inbox section, if you swipe left, there are going to be other folders that are added in by default. To look at the list of all of the folders, you can tap on the profile icon on the top left and then head over to mail folders. This will allow you to view all of the folders that are available inside of the AOL Mail. Also, you can create different new folders if you want by tapping on create new folder. This way you'll be able to manage all of your emails in separate folders. If you head over to the settings option right here, there are a few settings that you can manage. The first thing is you can head over to the app theme and take a look at all of the themes that are available. Just tap on the theme color that you like, tap on save, and if you head back, the theme color now has been changed. You can also add in a signature if you want to use the AOL Mail for professional use. If you head over to the general setting and tap on signatures, you can add in your own signature. This way, every time you send an email, the signature will be automatically added in. So these are the few features that you can use inside of the AOL mobile app. If you want other features such as filters or forwarding messages, you need to use the web version for it. So that's basically it for today's video. That's the way that you use the AOL Mail mobile app. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this, and also hit that notification bell so you get notified for more.